In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Figma. It's super simple. Let's dive right in and get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Figma workspace. Once you're there, you'll notice a series of icons at the top. You're going to want to click on the one that says resources. This icon is incredibly handy for adding all sorts of extras to your design projects. Once you've clicked on resources, a new panel will open. You'll see various options at the top, but we're going to focus on the widgets tab. Now, inside this tab is where the magic happens. You'll see a search bar, which makes it super convenient to find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll. In that search bar, type the word Ampere, and just so you have it right, it's spelled Ampier. Once you've typed that in, you should see a widget pop up called YouTube and Vimeo Video. Go ahead and click on it to open it up. By now, you should see a widget that you can drag wherever you please onto your canvas. Position it in a spot that works best for your design layout. The flexibility here is fantastic because you can move it around as your project evolves. The widget comes with a default link, but that's not what we want, so delete it. After that, take the YouTube video link you want to use and paste it into the widget. As soon as you do, you'll notice an arrow icon right near the link field. A quick click on this arrow loads your video and makes it ready for viewing within Figma. What's even better is that you aren't stuck with just one size. You can adjust the video size depending on how it fits in with your overall design. Whether you need it small, medium, or large, there's an option for you to choose from. This feature is incredibly helpful for maintaining the balance and look you're going for. Now, if you find that you need more copies of the same video, maybe for a consistent theme across several slides, that's easy too. Just use the simple copy and paste commands, Control+C to copy and Control+V to paste. You can add as many as you need without fuss. And there you have it. That's how you can easily embed a YouTube video inside Figma. It's a seamless process that enhances your design without adding complexity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more clear and simple guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.